Hello everyone, in this video we will still be having how to graph a linear equation into variables, but this time we will use the slope and the y-intercept of the given equation. Let's have an example. Graph the linear equation y equals x minus 2. The given is y equals x minus 2. To easily identify the slope and the y-intercept of this line, we need to transform it into the form y equals mx plus b. And looking at the given, it is already written in the slope-intercept form, where m is 1, the coefficient of x, which means that the rise over run of this line could be 1 over 1, could also be 2 over 2, or 3 over 3, and so on, for as long as the simplified form of the fraction is 1, while the b or the y-intercept of this equation is negative 2, which means that the graph passes through the point 0, negative 2. Using this information, we can now sketch the graph of our equation. As we have identified earlier, the line passes through the point 0, negative 2 with slope 1. Let's plot 0, negative 2. And it is located on the negative part of the y-axis. Let us use the slope 1 so that we can identify another point. From this point, we can rise 1 unit upward and then 1 unit to the right. We have another point here. We can also go upward 2 units and then 2 units to the right, so we can have another point here. Or we can also have 3 units upward and then 3 units to the right, so that we can have another point here. Now all we have to do is to connect these 2 points using a straight line with arrowheads to both directions. This line now is the graph of the equation y equals x minus 2. And all the points lying on this line are solutions to the given equation. Let's have another example. Graph the linear equation 2x plus y equals 1. The given is 2x plus y equals 1. Now we need to transform it into slope-intercept form. To do that, we need to isolate y by removing this 2x using properties of equality. Let us subtract 2x to both sides. 2x plus y minus 2x is equal to 1 minus 2x. Subtracting 2x and 2x, that makes 0. Y is equals to 1 minus 2x, but since addition is commutative, we can write the negative 2x first before the plus 1. Now this already takes the form y equals mx plus b, where m is negative 2, the coefficient of x, which means that the rise over run could be negative 2 over 1, or could also be negative 4 over 2, for as long as the simplified form of the fraction is negative 2. For the b or the y-intercept, the value is 1, which means the graph passes through the point 0, 1. Let us draw the graph in a Cartesian plane. Again, the line passes through the point 0, 1 with slope negative 2. Let us plot 0, 1. It is located on the positive part of the y-axis. Using the slope negative 2, from this point we will move upward 2 units. And then 1 unit to the left since the slope is negative. The line now must have another point here. And all we have to do is to connect these 2 points, and that will be the graph of the equation 2x plus y is equal to 1. That's how we use the slope and the y-intercept of a given equation to draw its graph. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up below. You may also watch our previous video for review, and I would really appreciate if you will subscribe to my channel.